Parla.
Come on now. I'm feeling down. How can I need to breathe? Get you on your feet again. Relax. I need some information. Just a basic fact. Can you show me where it hurts? There is no pain, you are receding. At least the shit's smoke on the horizon. You're only coming through your way. Your lips move, but I can't hear what you say. When I was a child, I had a fever. My hands felt just like two balloons. Now I've got a feeling once again. I can explain, you will not understand. This is not how I am. I have become comfortable now. I have become comfortable now. Okay, just a little bit. There will be but you feel a little sick. Can you stand up? I do believe it's working. That'll keep you going from the show. Come on, it's time to go. There is no pain, you are receding. At least the shit smoke on the horizon. You're only coming through your way. Your lips move, but I can't hear what you say. When I was a child, I got a freaking glimpse out of the corner of my eyes. I turned to look, but it was gone. I cannot put my finger on it now. The child is grown, the dream